Hello all, I'm Wild War Chief and welcome to Airsoft Kitchen. Alright, how y'all doing today, guys? First, I want to thank y'all for joining me today. Today I'm going to be making more of a meal, unlike last time, which was more like a dessert. Today I'm going to be doing a German-themed dish. We're going to be doing some sausage, some potatoes, and some sauerkraut. And so it's easy to do on a camp stove, but today I'm going to do it in a fire pit. So without any delay, let's go ahead and jump right on in. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this going first. Alright, so to get things going, what you're going to need are some sausages of your choice. I'm using venison sausage, or deer sausage. Sauerkraut, I'm using some red kraut, and some potatoes. I'm also going to be adding some minced garlic and some onion to it. Not the whole onion, just however much onion you feel like. And then salt, pepper, and we're doing nature seasoning to taste. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our pan. I'm using a cast iron wok, and we're going to go ahead and start getting that heated up. Set that on there like so. Move some of these coals around. Alright, so while we're waiting for our pan to heat up, let's go ahead and get things set up. First, since they're going to take the longest to cook, let's cut up the potatoes. Now that we got them peeled, let's go ahead and put them in our pan. All right. So now, let's go ahead and put some oil in our pan real quick. Alright, while we wait for the potatoes to cook up, let's go ahead and chop up some of that sausage. I'll put some gloves on because dealing with raw meat. Now let's go over to the fire. Alright, so now that we're back over here, let's make some room for this sausage. Gonna slide some of this out of the way. I'm gonna put the sausage right in the middle. Alright, let's let that go for a bit. Alright, now that we got the meat going, let's go on ahead and chop up that onion. This out of the way. Cutting board and a cleaner. Now that I've made a mess of the onion, let's go ahead and toss it into the pot with a little bit of garlic. Alright, now let's let that finish cooking. Alright, now it's done cooking, let's go ahead and take it off. Alright. We got it off the fire. Let's go ahead and get ourselves a plate. I got us a slice of bread to enjoy with it. Alright. Put us a little salt on there. And let's do some pepper. There we go. Let's have a bite, shall we? So there we go. There's sausage, potato, and sauerkraut. And you can use any sausage you like or any potato. You don't have to add the onion, you don't have to add the garlic in there. But yeah, have at it. Make some new friends with it. Alright guys, I want to thank y'all for joining me for this meal. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click like, and if you want to see some more videos like this, hit subscribe. And leave a comment if y'all want to see me do other meals. I'm probably going to do other ones, not just ones that I've done at Airsoft games, but some that are easy, relatively easy to do. And until next time, Wild War Chief, going dark.